So today we're getting rid of the stock steering wheel. It is a problem for me because I can't fit in the car without contorting all weird to get in there. So we're gonna switch it up. I picked up this Momo Monte Carlo. It's a 320 mil. Should be the right size, I think. Just gotta put it in and find out. So now that the airbag is removed, you just simply unplug this thing. You need to figure out if this is a 17 or a 19. It looks like a 17 to me. Gonna undo this, pop the new guy on. It is a 19. Guess you need a 19 deep. Always finding surprises. Hook should go right on now. Better to me. Every time you put a steering wheel in a car, this never works.